Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can enable keyboard sound on iPhone. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the setting, scroll down and sound and haptics. On this page, scroll down again, click on keyboard feedback. Here you have two options. First one for sound of your keyboard and the second one for haptic of your keyboard. You can enable and then finish, you can use it. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.